start the video by saying what is important on graph paper. So let's go to the graph paper. I'm going to start by just very quickly explain graph paper, how to do. Now, assuming this is graph paper, assuming this is front, this is back. Do you see that the back is a blank piece? Now, everything on graph paper means all the graph must be here. All the working can be here or here. Okay. Now, all the table usually I will put here. This is my table. Or you can put at the back here. So both are okay. But to standardize, I will tell you all put at the front. Okay. Everything in front must be in pencil, but the working can be in pen. Behind, working is in pen. Anything on foolscap is not marked. So if you do your part B, C, D answer on foolscap, sorry, thank you, 0. The reason is because in Cambridge, they will tear this graph paper, this person will mark. Then this one will be left floating somewhere, so nobody will mark. Okay, now let's start the question proper. Can you all copy this table onto the graph paper? Shall we stick to in front? So this is the front, this is the front. This is the front. So we start together. Draw a table. A pen or pencil is okay, but the graph itself is on pencil. So let me write down X, Y. This is question 2, by the way, in case you are like confused. I don't know what question you are doing. Now I need to copy down, so I bring in the thinnest pen that I can find. There's no reason why you are slower than me, since I'm doing together with you. Write down the equation, please. Okay, before I stop the video, who is not sure how to find this value? Huh? Oh, positive. Thank you. I made a mistake. Sorry. X squared, right? Both positive. I thought it would have one negative. Okay. Who is confused about the first blank? Like, who don't know? Then I go through with you. Nobody. Okay, I pause the video here about 3 minutes. You tell me all the answers. Who got any number wrong? Nobody, Now, can you highlight these two and remind yourself these two will form a coordinate, and this coordinate is called -2, 5. Okay, -2, 5. So it's just a reminder. I know you know. I know you know. So this is a reminder. Now let's go on. If you have not done, can you kindly copy all the numbers, because it's very manual, and I believe given time, you are able to do it. Alright, so everyone copy these numbers. Unless Jing Feng is wrong, then the whole class wrong together. But Jing Feng is correct, right? Okay. Now, everyone help me to underline the question paper. This is the next thing you need to take note. Alright, Kunj, if this is done wrongly, GG, whole paper no mark. Now, I want you to draw on the question paper instead of graph paper, question paper. So this one means how many squared? 10 squared. 10 small squares. And how many you need? This is 0, this is 1. Can follow? Then on top also 10 squared. This is 0, this is 1. Follow? Follow, Now, assuming you have 0 knowledge on graph, let's revise again. Now, if I want to draw, I can have 4 scenarios. So maybe on this, can you draw on your question paper itself? There's 4 scenarios. First scenario, I have a graph paper. I will draw like that. Second scenario, I have a graph paper and I draw like that. Third scenario, I have a graph paper, I draw like that. Fourth scenario, actually I have endless scenario. I have a graph paper, I draw. Well done. I draw like that. Now, can you tell me which one should I draw for -2 to 4? First one. First one. Second one is out. This is definitely out because you don't have negative. This one? Oh, possible, right? This one? Possible, right? So what do you have to look at? You have to look at the y value. Can you look at your graph paper now? Tell me the smallest y value and the biggest y value. -4 and 5, right? So I need to make sure the lowest y value is -4. I need to make sure the highest y value is 5. So most likely I will probably draw somewhat like this or somewhat like this. No, this is out. This is out. Can I erase? Somewhat like 1, right? Somewhat like 1, right? Okay, now let's go to the graph paper now. So what I want you to do is, if it's somewhat like 1, take out a pencil, pencil into shape. Pen means if wrong means you have to buy the graph paper again. Can I go to the Inkscape? Alright, can you draw now? You draw your own axis. I try and use the Inkscape to help. So what I want is I want to draw, I use a pencil. Then after that I draw. Your graph paper is very good because got the big squares for you, but mine don't have. Okay, I will pause the video here. Can you continue? Let's draw together. I pause the video here. Okay, it's recording now. Oh, GG, time up. Okay, can we continue tomorrow? Can you draw the graph tomorrow? I go through if you can. Can,